Welcome to our review of the top 10 best portable generators on the market today. Whether you're prepping for emergencies, camping, or powering outdoor events, finding the right generator is crucial. We've hand-picked and thoroughly tested these models to bring you the ultimate guide. Let's dive into the key features, pros, and cons of each to help you make an informed decision. Number 1. Westinghouse Home Backup Portable Generator. The Westinghouse Home Backup Portable Generator is a reliable powerhouse, capable of providing consistent energy for your home or outdoor needs. With a robust engine and a sizable fuel tank, it delivers prolonged operation during emergencies. Its sturdy build and multiple outlets make it versatile for various appliances and devices. Pros: reliable power output, sturdy build quality, multiple outlets for diverse usage. Cons: can be noisy during operation, heavy and less portable compared to some models. Number 2. Sportsman Gasoline Portable Generator. The Sportsman Gasoline Portable Generator is a compact yet powerful option ideal for outdoor activities or small power needs. Its ease of use and affordability make it a popular choice among users looking for simplicity and reliability. Pros: compact and easily portable, cost-effective option, simple operation. Cons: limited power output for larger appliances, noisy during high loads. Number 3. Honda Portable Inverter Generator. The Honda Portable Inverter Generator is renowned for its exceptional fuel efficiency and quiet operation. It's a highly reliable option for camping or powering sensitive electronics due to its clean power output and low noise level. Pros: outstanding fuel efficiency, quiet operation, clean power for sensitive devices. Cons: higher initial cost, limited outlets compared to some competitors. Number 4. WEN 56235i Portable Inverter Generator. The WEN 56235i Portable Inverter Generator boasts a compact design with impressive power output. Its lightweight construction and eco mode for fuel efficiency make it a great choice for camping or tailgating. Pros: lightweight and portable, fuel-efficient eco mode, clean power suitable for electronics. Cons: limited runtime at full load, slightly higher noise level compared to some competitors. Number 5. Duramax Tri-Fuel Remote Start Portable Generator. The Duramax Tri-Fuel Remote Start Portable Generator offers versatility with its capability to run on multiple fuel types. It provides robust power output and a remote start feature for added convenience. Pros: tri-fuel capability, gasoline, propane, natural gas. Remote start functionality, strong power output. Cons: heavier and less portable, louder during operation compared to some quieter models. Number 6. Champion Power Equipment Dual Fuel Inverter Generator. The Champion Power Equipment Dual Fuel Inverter Generator combines fuel versatility with quiet operation. Its dual fuel capability and parallel connectivity for increased power make it a flexible option. Pros: dual fuel capability, quiet operation, parallel connectivity for increased power. Cons: relatively heavy, limited outlets for simultaneous device use. Number 7. Jackery Solar Generator. The Jackery Solar Generator stands out for its eco-friendly design, integrating solar power for recharging. Its lightweight build and compatibility with solar panels make it an excellent choice for off-grid adventures. Pros: solar recharge capability, lightweight and portable, quiet operation. Cons: limited power capacity compared to fuel-based generators, slower recharge time in low sunlight conditions. Number 8. Ryobi Digital Inverter Generator. The Ryobi Digital Inverter Generator offers a balance between power output and portability. With its compact design and digital display for easy monitoring, it's suitable for various applications. Pros: compact and portable, digital display for easy monitoring, parallel connectivity for increased power. Cons: moderate noise level during operation, slightly lower runtime compared to some competitors. Number 9. Jackery Solar Portable Generator. The Jackery Solar Portable Generator provides a convenient, portable power solution, especially for outdoor enthusiasts. Its compatibility with solar panels and multiple charging options make it versatile. Pros: solar compatibility for eco-friendly charging, lightweight and easily portable, multiple charging options, solar, AC, carport. Cons: limited power output for high-demand devices, slower recharge time in low sunlight conditions. Number 10. BioLite Base Charge Rechargeable Lithium-Ion Power Station. The BioLite Base Charge Power Station is a compact, rechargeable power source ideal for on-the-go charging needs. Its small form factor and multiple charging ports make it convenient for various devices. Pros: compact and portable design, multiple charging ports, rechargeable lithium-ion battery. Cons: limited power capacity for larger appliances, longer charging time for higher power devices. That covers the overview of the top 10 portable generators. Each model offers unique features catering to different needs and preferences, so consider your specific requirements when making a choice. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and share with your friends.